What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. Today is pretty special, pretty epic. I'm extremely excited. Today we take delivery of something that I never thought was going to happen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So I know the thumbnail title might have been a little clickbaitish, but it is true. It's been a busy last couple of weeks. We decided to put our house on the market. And even before it went on MLS, we had a private sale within 24 hours. We got a buyer completely above our listing price. Super excited, but it also brings into a whole bunch of logistical problems. We have 5 cars and no place to put them. So instead of the Midlife Crisis garage being at my house, why don't we open a Midlife Crisis shop? So this is an undisclosed location. Not looking to advertise it to everybody. Obviously, this is a place where I'm gonna be storing my cars, but super duper excited to check it out. Well, here it is. The new Midlife Crisis garage slash shop. They are going to be paving this, so we'll get that paved. And I do have a loading dock. I have nothing to load, but I have a loading dock. I got 2 different bays, which is super nice. But let's go ahead and check out the inside. Welcome to the shop. All right, let's get some light in this place. Oh, cut.
Take 2.
Let's get it open. Get some light in here. Door number 1. Door number 2 opens on its own. A lot of light, a lot of space. This is a blank slate. Brand new building, brand new shop. Insulated walls, so we'll be able to keep the Texas heat out. As you can see, it's a 40 by 30, so approximately 1,200 square feet. We're gonna kind of go through, take you guys through the overall plan. But before we do that, I wanna take you to the most important part of the new shop. So it's late at night and nature calls. Well, we don't have to put a bathroom in the shop because we have a community urinal. I don't know what you want to call it. It's nice, it's clean, and I don't have to go to the gas station. Got our own key to the restroom. It's got everything we need. Doesn't have a shower, but we got the sink, full facilities. What more can you ask for? With it being a blank slate, I've got to do everything to this shop, which I'm super excited to be able to create this from the ground up. So I want to take you guys through all my different plans, tell you what I'm thinking about. But obviously, if you guys have some ideas or some things you think I should do with the shop, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I would love the feedback. And here's the exciting part. So this is not only my garage, my man cave, but I am looking to extend the Midlife Crisis garage shop to local San Antonio automotive enthusiasts. If you have a cool car, you have a car modification, but you don't have the shop, you don't have the tools, and you think it might be an interesting YouTube video, reach out to me. Hit me up on Instagram right down below, or send me an email at midlifecrisis@gmail.com. And let's see if potentially, if you need the space, if you need the tools, and it would make good content for the channel, I would love to bring you in the garage and take a look at your ride. So reach out. So this is not only gonna be my garage, but a garage for the viewers as well. Follow me. So back here, I have got no electricity. I've got a brand new breaker box. I've got the electricity coming into the shop, but the shop itself, there is nothing. From this panel, our goal is that every single side of the shop, we're gonna go ahead and lay out the conduit, and we're going to strategically put, duplex quad plugs, for whatever there may be, whether it's going to be the lifts, tools, air compressor, whatever that might be. One of the first things that's going in, so this Wednesday, super excited. So of those of you that have seen the previous videos, I have some really nice epoxy floors in my existing house that I just sold. The same company that did my epoxy floors in my existing house is gonna do the epoxy floors in the shop. We're gonna be doing a little bit different. So here's a little sample of what I'm gonna be doing. So it's gonna still be more in line with the blues, the blacks, and the whites. So Edward, you're still gonna lose the screws in the floor. We're not gonna be able to find them, but we're gonna add a new splash pop of color. We are going to go with the entire full color scheme of the Midlife Crisis logo. So we're gonna have blue, we're gonna have black, we're gonna have red, we're gonna have white, and we're gonna have gray. So for those high bay LED lights, I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet of what they look like right here. And that's what we're gonna be installing in the new garage. So I'm super excited about those. One of the things that's really holding this whole thing back, and we're kind of working a little bit backwards with the floors, and we're gonna do the electrical, is even when we get the electrical done, I still need to get this suite and this unit hooked up to electricity. So right now we've already made the request to the electric company. We're missing a meter. Let me go show you what I'm dealing with. So this is my backyard. It's not much, but one of the things that we absolutely need to have. So right now it is February in South Central Texas and it's beautiful weather. I could not ask for better weather, but in about 2 to 3 months, it's gonna be the Texas summer and it's gonna be hotter than hell. And so we are going to be putting in a new split ductless system, looking at something about 24,000 BTUs, 22-foot ceilings here, about 1,200 square feet. I'm gonna try. We may end up putting in 2 units, but we're gonna go ahead and start with 1. Here is my most significant issue. So I just signed the lease. It's brand new. We don't have an electrical meter in from the electric company yet, so it's on order. A lot can't start happening until this boy's in, so keep your fingers crossed that in the next couple of days we get some electricity. Let me give you a little idea of what I'm thinking about as far as plans and layout for this shop, man cave, garage, whatever you want to call it. So I'm thinking not only is this my garage, but it's also, I've got to store stuff here, auto parts, different supplies, different stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come off about 8 feet, and right where I have this tape right here, I'm gonna be putting up like a 10-foot faux wall to block the view of the storage. Now going in front of this wall, we're gonna paint it a really nice flashy color. Green, purple, blue, I have no idea yet, but we're gonna have lights in it, maybe some logos, maybe the Midlife Crisis logo on the wall, make it look really cool. And then we're gonna take my 4-post lift, and it's gonna be straight dead center. You know, it's 9x14, so it's gonna come all the way out to here. We'll be able to store 2 cars here. So this would be more of the car display collection area. Now, right here, where I have this outlined in the blue, we're gonna be putting a freestanding industrial metal mezzanine with a stairs. So down below is going to be the lounge area. We're gonna have a couch, 70-inch TV, a little kitchenette, something really nice, comfortable, a nice place to hang out. And then above, I'm gonna put my office. So not only can I come here and work on the cars, edit videos, you know, different things like that, but I'm also gonna work out of here for my day job. So it gives me a nice place, some place to come. When I'm working on the cars, the kids can come with me, have a comfortable place to hang out while Dad plays with his stupid hobby. Right here, super excited about this. This is gonna be some great flexibility. As you drive in from that side right there, the plan is to do an angled 2-post lift. So you'll see right here, I've got this tape kind of laid out in the general area, and we're gonna put a 2-post lift here. A lot of opportunity to do a lot more car mods, car videos. Along that wall, we'll have cabinetry, the toolboxes, air compressor, all the different things that we need for a full working shop. My goal right here is to have a detail bay right as you pull the vehicle in, wash it, store it, keep it clean. So we'll have water here, electric for vacuums, all that stuff. And so this will be kind of a detail bay, flushing out. I want to thank everybody for taking a look at the new shop. Super excited. It's going to take us a little bit to get everything done, but we're going to take you along for the entire journey. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see all the videos of the new garage. And until next time, we'll see you later.